With every new trend that emerge on the internet, there is always a group of people who hate on it. And today I am a proud member of Hate Vine Club. I hate Vine. I hate pumpkin vines. I hate grapevines. I hate video vines. When I first saw a Vine video, I was like, what the fuck is this? Vine videos are like a reoccurring power cut in the middle of a goddamn joke. And the first Vine video I saw, I wanted to choke the person who showed me the video and the person who made the video with a vine. Like a real piece of whisk. I hate vines because they're too short. They are as short as Mini-Me's dick. They're short like Andrew's term as Prime Minister of Jamaica. They are as short as Beyonce's hair. They are as short as Kanye's temper. They are as short as Chief Keith's dread. Bang bang. I hate vines because they're too short. You know what I call vines? I call them midget videos. They're too short and everything is moving so damn fast. Slap, bop, video done. Huh? Slap, bop, video done. Like literally, that's how they are. I can't laugh at the joke because my brain is busy trying to capture the friggin' joke. Like seriously, who gets a joke in 7 seconds? Call me slow if you want to, but I don't give a fuck. It takes me 8 seconds to get a joke. 8 seconds in. And most of these Vine videos are 7 seconds. Man, woman, whatever gender you are right there watching this video right now, this is what I compare Vine videos to. Imagine every time you are about to orgasm, bust a nut. And I'm talking every time you are right at the top of bust a nut mountain and you're ready to jump off. Your girlfriend or your boyfriend just left. Right before you orgasm every time. Then stop. No explanation, no nothing. That's going to make you frustrated, right? Now you see my dilemma with these goddamn Vine videos? I'm going to get the joke at 8 seconds, but you stop at 7? Listen, you violent ass bitches, they have movies that are 2 hours long and sometimes even 8 goddamn sequels long and I don't understand it. Then how the hell do you expect me to get a 7-second clip that is as short as Lindsay Lohan's goddamn time spent off drugs? You see those references? You don't get them, do you? You get them later. Another thing I hate about these Vine videos is the ratio. What goddamn ratio is that? Half to half? 0.5 to 0.5? I have crossed my goddamn eyes to watch these Vine videos. I thought we were supposed to be like the Jeffersons with this video shit. Moving on up. You know, first it was black and white TV, then we get color TV, then we have the 4:3 ratio, then the goddamn 16:9 ratio, and now 0.5 to 0.5? The size of these videos are literally this. Why? Another thing I hate about Vine videos is that you have niggas who are just straight up trying to be Steven Spielberg, Quentin Tarantino, Spike Lee, Tyler Perry with this shit. Trying to direct a whole movie within 7 seconds. You bitch you. And if that was not enough, then you have some Chris Angel, some David Blaine, Zeke Freetown Roy, all types of shit. Niggas just do magic tricks. Magic tricks. Throwing niggas in a mirror, dragging niggas out mirror. Man, get the fuck out of here. And if you already have to endure the torture of the repeat of these Vine videos, you have to watch them 1600 times now when niggas start doing goddamn magic tricks. Just so you can figure that shit out. Because you have to sit down there like, how the hell him just do that? And that repeat feature, I hate that shit. Hate that shit. Hate that shit. Hate that shit. I hate Vine videos. Niggas just doing all types of shit on trampolines, fucking epic pool dunks. What is that? Is that your freaking video resume for the circus, bitch? And then you got the women just twerking their asses away in 7 seconds. It look like a goddamn GIF file on a porn website. No look at shit where you say I saw that video, does a twerk and does a repeat. That type of shit. That's like going to the strip club and the stripper come on the stage, twerk for 7 seconds and then cut. That's bullshit, right? Exactly. But then again, these goddamn Vine videos are free and bitches just showing a little ass. I don't know. Honestly, bitch, I cannot evaluate your twerking abilities in just 7 seconds. You will not get a job if your resume is barely complete. And with these 7-second Vine videos, that's like just writing your fucking name on the resume. And why the hell is it that Vine videos can only be done from certain phones? Huh? You don't think a nigga with a 3310 want Vine too? Get up feel some want Vine too? That's really why I hate Vine video. Can't Vine with a 3310. Can't even make a goddamn call with a 3310. I hate Vines. Smack him! Where you go? Cause smack him, your mama lick me and I broke you up in here. Yo, this is Kevin Too Crazy. I just want to say thank you to the fans who keep supporting me. You know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the share button. Share to all the Vinians, the Vineyards, the whatever they want to call themselves. I don't really hate Vines, people. For some of you jackasses that are gonna get on my nerves, I don't really hate Vines, alright? I love Vines. They're pretty funny.
Lydia. Yes, man.